tips and tricks for sign process scale. I do hope you are ready with your notebook and pencil to write some important notes in the uh, lesson today. So, without wasting any more time, I'm going to start into the first one. Okay, thank you, Aidan. Now, um, three things that I really want you to get for tonight. If you cannot get anything else, at least you can get these three things: MV, RV, and CV. Because throughout this night, you're going to see these three things the most. First, we have MV, manipulated variable, the one and only factor that is changed before an experiment. It sounded like quite hard to understand. It's okay. We're going to see example later. Responding variable factor is measured and observed after the experiment, and constant what remain the same. We done this before. We do it again to remind you for this. Okay. Now let's see the example for you to understand better. Okay. First, let's say you have this question in your upcoming exam. What is your step? First step is, number one, you must identify what is the topic. Let's say this question. Lisa conducted an investigation on number of brakes that can be supported by bridge model using different type of rod, as shown as diagram below. So, it's just a simple experiment to see which rod can support better. So this coming to wooden rod and plastic rod. Okay, as you read the question, you're gonna find this in material topic. So that's the first step. Identify what is topic, and then read the question properly. You have just read the question. Which one is the question? The top one, this one. Lisa conducted an investigation. That's the question. That's the one you should read. Sometimes it's going to be very, very small like this. Diagram 2 shows 2 plants. Plant X being put outside and watered regularly. Very small. You tend to miss this because it's on top and you straight away go for the picture. Don't go for picture first. Go for the question first. Okay? Number 3. Find keywords like different and changes. So different and changes that hint one thing, which is MV. MV is manipulated variable. Let's see. Lisa conducted an investigation on the numbers of brakes that can be supported by bridge model built using different type of rod. I put a red color. Different type of rod here. Different type. So different type of rod. Okay. So for different type of rod, so that's already give you the answer for MV. You haven't go for the picture yet. You just read the first sentence. You already got the answer for MV. That's why you need to read the question first. Read properly. Don't skip the question. Don't straight away jump to the picture, even though the picture look very good, very beautiful to you. And believe me, a lot of people going to attracted to go to the picture because you are stressed, you are a bit nervous to do your exam. But relax, keep calm, you have enough time to do this. Read the question slowly, find the keyword. What's the keyword? Different and changes. Okay? And that keyword is for manipulated variable only. Now, let's go to the next one. What is step number 4? Step number 4, find numbers. Okay, this one is a bit too detailed. Find numbers. Okay, let's see. we look at the they don't have numbers here, but you can see few things different. First, the number of wooden block, both experiment is the same. 2 wooden block versus 2 wooden block, same. The number of wooden rod and plastic rod also the same. But the number of brick is different. And straight away, you get the RV, responding variable. So, teacher, I haven't see the CV yet. That one is the last one. The first two things is very important. MV, RV. I'm going to see what is important later because most of the answer you're going to use MV and RV. Okay? Now, we already have this 4 steps. Identify, read the question, find keyword, different and changes, find numbers. Let's try a few exercises for you to do. Now, this question, I think you can see I give you around 1 minute to figure out the keyword, the MV, and the RV. We haven't done CV yet. We haven't done constant variable. We are doing manipulated variable. We are doing responding variable. Okay, you may start now. If you are finished, you don't need to tell me. I'm going to put out, I'm going to open comment section. You're going to write in the comment section. Okay? Okay, you can write in the comment section. What is MV first? What is MV? Ama, look at the word, Ama. Look at the word. What word we're looking for MV? We are looking for different. We are looking for changes. Look at the question. Come on, out of 35 people here, should be at least 1% can answer. Type of place, quite good. Who's Roga Rush? Is that Roga? Is Annabelle? Rebecca, is it Rebecca? No. Sophie, placement of plant. Yes, Sophie, correct. Placement of plant. Aidan, yes. Plant X is being put outside and plant Y being kept in the box. Correct, Aidan? Correct, Sophie. Sophie answer is the most correct answer. Okay? Placement of plant. Teacher, there's no changes, there's no different. Yes, there is. But the keyword this time is not in the question. The keyword this time is in the picture. The key point, not keyword, key point in the picture. You can see the first picture is put outside and the second picture is kept in a box. Okay, what are the changes? What are different between these two? One in the box, one in the one. Right. Can I answer like Aidan answer just now, which is one in the box, one outside? It's still correct, but the most correct answer, remember we're looking for the most correct answer. Okay, is where you put the plant. So the answer for placement of plant, not plant X, both, is it plant X or both plant? Yeah, no, both plant. You're looking at both plant, not only plant X. Placement of plant. So that is the MV. What different between these two? Okay, they are both watered. They both got air enough inside to live. But one of them got sunlight, one of them in the box. Teacher, question from Anon. Can I put the absence of sunlight? Meaning one got sunlight, one has no sunlight. Also can. Okay, that's the textbook answer. Absence of sunlight. We done absence before. If you still can remember, absence meaning you cannot see. You don't have that. So that's absent. Now, I'm going to open the chat. Yes, no sunlight, correct, Ma? For RV pula. RV. Remember, there's no number here, I think. So what are we looking for? There's no number here. Ayo, Sophie, too fast. Good job, Sophie. Okay. This question is a perfect perfect question for you to see. There's no like really good formula to tackle this. You must understand what is MV and what is RV. Yes, Johnny, RV is number of leaves. Also can. Good, Johnny. At least number you can count, right? Terus satu week urgent si masa, okay? Terus plan, okay? Okay. The correct answer is not correct answer. The most correct answer is condition of plant after 2 weeks. Okay, you can say the growth of plant, also can. You can say the number of leaf, like Johnny said. Good job, also can. But this is the textbook answer for this. But we don't have numbers, we don't have the keywords. Okay, this is how you answer this type of question. But sometimes this question doesn't come with keywords, doesn't come with numbers. Okay, you must look at the picture, you must understand what happened in the picture. If you don't understand what happened in the picture, you cannot answer. Okay? So, again. Actually, what is MV? What is RV? Okay. We look at here. This question, I think the best question is one. Okay. MV, manipulated variable, is something that changes before you start the experiment. Let's say one thing you put wooden rod, one thing you put plastic. One plant you put it outside, one plant you put it in the box. That is manipulated variable, meaning it changes before the experiment. Remember the word before and make it bigger here. Before an experiment. Okay, before. Responding variable. Why numbers? Because we can measure it after the experiment. What we want to look after the experiment? This we want to look whether the plastic rod or wooden rod can handle how many brick after the experiment. We want to look what happened to the plant after the experiment. Okay, and that left us with one thing, which is CV, constant variable. Okay, what is constant variable? If manipulated and responding variable changes throughout the experiment, one is before, one is after, constant variable stay the same. They stay the same. Example, for this question, what is the constant variable? The type of brick, the weight for each brick, the wooden block, the height of wooden block also can. Because all of this is being the same. This question, I want you to write to me what is the CV, constant variable. Okay? Yeah, CV for this question. Yes, I done. Good job. The amount of water given. Yeah, good. What else? Water the same. Yes, Ahmad can answer this. Good. Slowly to understand this. Both, yes. Correct. Both are the same plant. Very good. Both are the same plant. Because some plant, they can live without sunlight quite a long time. Good type of plant. Amount of water. What else? Yes. Is that sharing? Is that Amelia? Amount of water dia. Yeah, okay. Good. Okay. Now let's see the next question. This question I have done with 4M if I'm not mistaken, but I haven't do the CV, MV, and RV. Now, diagram shows a volume of water remaining after be absorbed by four different type of material. One placed in a beaker containing 500 water in for 1 minute. The initial volume of the water for each beaker is 500 ml. Within the question, you can already guess what is the MV. Now, in the comment section, put the MV for you. Come on, who's the fastest? Is it Sophie? Aidan? Amount of water. No, Arjun. Incorrectly. Object absorbing water. Almost correct, Sophie. Almost correct. Yes. Type of material used. Different, not only different. Don't use one word. Different type of material or type of material used. Okay. So just copy here a different type of material used. Okay. So the manipulated variable type of material used. Now you can look for step number 4. We look for numbers. RV. We look for numbers. RV. So RV. What is RV? Come on. Go. Who is cool cat? I want to know. Arcade. Good arcade. Good job. All get different water volume. Good. Almost correctly. Yes. Now, to answer this, you must also understand what happened in the experiment. What happened in the experiment is when you put synthetic cloth, cotton cloth, sponge, and plastic in all the same amount of water. You take it out, some of it remain 500 liter, some of it less. So why? I say the first step is, let's see the first step. The first step, identify what is the topic. Put in the comment what topic is this. What topic is this? Yes, good, Amar, material. So now you have step number 1. Number 2, you already have read the question. Number 3, you already have. So number 4, you are just understand the type of question. So this type of question is easy for you to do if you follow the step by step. So the RV is amount of water absorbed. Now, answer for CV. Who's the fastest one? All of them get tested. Okay, no. Yeah, Sophie, correct. The initial amount of water. That's it. That one is correct, Sophie. Amount of water at the start of the experiment, which is 500 ml water. Because before we start the experiment, all beaker has 500 ml of water. Okay. Here, initial volume of water. Now this one. I boldkan dia, I merahkan dia. That one. So that one is CV. Initial volume of water. Okay. Now next question. Diagram shows an electrical circuit. You know what? Do all CV, MV, RV. Like this. CV equal to what? RV equal to what? MV equal to what? Okay, let's see who get the answer for this. Read the question properly. Don't be the first one. This time, read. Look at the keywords. Look at the experiment. What the experiment want. Okay. MV, yes, cool cat. Cool cat. keep. Amount of electricity. Correct, Arjun? Amount. Arjun, you cannot count electricity, but one thing you can count about electricity, you can count the battery, Arjun. Put amount of battery. Correct. So Adlan Fazali. Type of material. RV is type of material. Are you sure? Aidan. MV, different type of material used. Condition of the bulb, the battery. Okay. Okay, let's start with the easiest one. Step number 1, read the question. Sorry, look at the topic. What is the topic for this material? We know already. Number 2, read the question. Number 3, what is the keyword here? Let's see the keyword. Diagram show electrical circuit used to study the properties of material. The table show when the connected. Okay, there's no in this question, but there is in the table. Different type of question. Most of you answer the type of material used correct. The type of material used. And RV is condition of bulb. Okay, now I want you to focus on this. Teacher, how do you know? Actually, I don't need to read the question. I already know the answer. How? Because we have this thing called table. Table design. This thing lah, table. Okay. I need to put something here. Okay, table. Okay, actually, there's one more way for you to know from table or graph. From table or graph. We're going to skip to this slide. This slide. Okay, so to make a table in science, they must have specific instruction. You must have specific instruction. Wait, I want to admit this person. Okay, in science, for table, on your left, you must put MV on top here in the first box, and on your right, you must put RV. Okay, in science, when you draw table, on your left, you must put MV, on your right, you must put RV. That is the correct way to draw table. If you don't use this way, your table is wrong. Example like this. Bar chart. Table show Ali activity in the day. He recorded his heartbeat during each activity. Type of activity, remember? Different thing. And the numbers, heart rate in BPM. The type of activity is MV. The heart rate is RV. See? Left MV, right RV. Now, if you got this question, quite lucky for you if you remember how to do, because as easy as that. Here, left is MV, the type of material used, or you can simply write material, also can. On your right side, condition of bulb is RV, and CV a lot. You can put length of wire, you can put the amount of battery, you can put the switch and so on, a lot. Okay, you know how to answer already for CV. Okay, now we finish all the example for MV and RV. I make a poll. I need you to do the poll for me. My question is very simple. Okay, I'm gonna launch the poll for you. Wait, Okay, please answer the poll. Okay, don't worry to vote. You don't understand, or I have questions and so on. Because you cannot cram everything in one night. Okay, you need to do after this. You need to read. You need to do more. Do more question. It's like you're doing multiplication. You cannot simply memorize in one day. And okay, I'm good already. No, cannot. You need to do a lot of exercise for this. Okay, at least almost half, I think, responded. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to continue to the next one. The first one is variables. We have manipulated variables, responding variable. Okay. Don't tell me in the exam you don't know what is RV, what is MV. Okay, sorry, you don't know what is manipulated, you don't know what is responding, but you know what is MV, what is RV. MV is manipulated, RV is responding. Now, hypothesis. What is hypothesis? So hypothesis is making a general statement, meaning before you do the experiment, you have a simple idea. Let's say, remember, we done the Gill experiment. Okay, the Gill experiment. Before you start experiment, you have a little bit of I think Gill's shaped like a crescent. Okay, maybe I just said, I think the gills look like a half moon shape, and it's red in color. But when you touch the fish, you look at the fish, it looks different. So hypothesis doesn't have to be correct. It's just an idea for you before you start to do experiment. So how to write the hypothesis? Now, this is how to write. The formula is as MV increase, decrease, more, less, RV increase, decrease, more, less. What are those? So many words. Actually, no. Let's see this question. Diagram shows consumption of electrical bills used by Ali in the house. This is what topic? What topic is this? I want to know. Put in the comment. What topic is this? Yes, correct. Energy. Good, energy. Now, so April 2024, Ali is using 369 kilowatts. So much, too many. Okay, it's too much. And it's only cost Ali 107 ringgit. June, Ali used more, which is 1,100. 11,070 watt per hour. Okay. Kilowatt. Sorry, I forgot the word kilowatt. That's why it sounded weird. Okay. Yeah. And 321 ringgit. What this number is about is basically using more, you're going to pay more. That's it. Okay. So I put already the MV is usage of electricity, meaning April he used 369, June he used 1,107 kilowatt, a lot more. Okay, a lot more. And he paid 100 ringgit for April, and he paid 300 ringgit for June. So RV is the numbers down there, amount of electricity bills. So what is the hypothesis? So based on this, what are the hypotheses? The formula is very simple. As MV increase, decrease more or less, RV decrease, increase more or less. Okay, let's look at each word. What is increase? Increase meaning you're getting more and more and more. Getting more and more. Decrease, getting less and less and less. Okay, let's say what are the things that you always increase year by year? Is your height, maybe your weight. You always increase because you're growing. What are the things that decrease? Maybe your you can think about it later lah. A lot of things decrease actually. Okay, now hypothesis. Using this formula, let's answer this together. Okay, let's put what is NV as usage of electricity. Now, electricity. You look at the pattern from 369 to 1107 is getting more. So more is increase. Now put RV. Okay. The first part already done. Comma. Put RV. RV is amount of electrical bills. Also, from 100 ringgit to 300, getting more and more. Also, increase. This is how to write hypothesis. Okay, usage of electricity is MV. Amount of electrical bills is RV. Let's try the next question. Now, we done this before. What the teacher said about table, what the teacher said about where is RV, where is MV. Now, MV. Please write in the answer. What is MV? What is RV? One by one. We start MV first. MV first. What is MV? Yes, what is MV? Correct? MV is activity. Ama, MV first. Remember what I said about tables. On your left side is MV. On your right side is RV. So left side is activity or type of activity. RV is right side, your heart rate. That's it. Or you can copy on top in the question, heart rate during each activity. In the question already given here. Not heartbeat, heart rate. Okay. Yes, Rehans, the activity. Now, you done the MV, you done the RV. I want you to do the hypothesis. Let's see how well you can do this, because this question is a bit different than before. What are the things you can write as MV? Write the hypothesis. Come on, I want to see. This is how you write the hypothesis. I make a copy of this. Wait, this is how you write the hypothesis. Right now. Yeah, okay. CV heartbeat before doing it. Yeah, Amir Hafi, I like your answer. Yes, Arjun, that's correct one. Let's see who else answered. Yes, I done. The more intense the activity, the more heartbeat. Yes, correct. You use the word more. Good. As the activity become more intense, the heart increase. Correct. The more intense, yes, almost same. Yep. Okay. Aina, the heartbeat increase a lot. Yep, we can agree that the answer is the more intense the activity, the heartbeat will increase, the heart rate will increase. The more the heart rate. Okay? Oh, sorry. So, um, more intense, more active, also can the activity more heart rate, or maybe higher rate of breathing. This is the textbook answer, or the answer that you wrote in the comment also can be used. Okay, the which is the answer we proved just now lah. The answer for um as the type become intense, the heart rate become increase, also can, no problem. Okay, good job, good job. Next, um, you know what? We're going to have 1 minute break. You can go drink water. It's been too intense back to back. I'm gonna set a timer here. After a minute, we're going to continue. Okay? Okay. Now, let's continue on the camera. Okay, let's continue. Go to the next one. Observation. From fresh. Okay. Observation. Using your 5 senses of better data. Okay. So for observation, the question will ask you things like this. They give you pictures, they give you a question. What can you observe from this picture? Okay. I give you example. I find a picture for you to look. Okay. This picture. I want you to tell me what can you observe from this picture. Okay. Remember, the word observe is using your five senses. Your five senses is your sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch. What can you see at this picture? Yes, I see some wrong answer and some correct answer. Now, five senses we can use is during the exam lah. We can use only one senses. What can you see? Eye, because it's a paper you can only see. Now, I like this one answer. Who's this? I want to look for this student. I saw someone write fat cat. I close the message. Okay, now focus in class. Yeah. What can you see? There's only few things you can see. Aina answered, the kid getting bullied by the cat. Do you see that? Actually, no. What can you see in science is really what can you see, not something behind that. What can you see here? We have one person, one boy, one cat. We have one person that the boy is crying, and the cat is looking at him. As there's one student said fat cat. Correct lah, quite fat for a cat. Yeah, but that's only observation. You cannot say that the cat is bullying the boy. You don't know that. Okay? Might be the boy is losing his toy and the cat come to comfort him. Maybe. We don't know. Okay? So, yeah. So, it's not things that you think what happened and that is in front. You know the reason. Now you don't know the reason. Okay? You just saw the picture and think, oh, this is a boy crying and a big cat looking at the boy. That's it. That's your answer. So that's how observation should be done. You look, you write what you look, what you can see. Now, observation. What happened in the experiment? Okay, now what happened in the experiment? If you are using metal spoon, we know already, the bulb will light up. Can you see the bulb light up? Yes, you can see that. Wooden spoon, the bulb will not light up. Okay? Now, the observation. How to write the observation for this? Okay. For observation, sometimes quite long. The answer will be quite long. You need to tell everything inside the experiment. You can say, if we connect metal spoon with the circuit, the bulb will light up like this. There's no exact answer to write this. There's one formula from Cikgu Jega. He said that use RV, which is on your right side. RV is condition of bulb. Yeah, we are using that. We are using that. The bulb will light up. Okay. And if let's say you are using wooden spoon, if wooden spoon is connected to the circuit, the bulb will not light up. The answer will be quite long. That's observation. Okay. Now let's see next question, because this one is quite easy and straightforward. This question, diagram 6.1 show an investigation. Two similar candles are put in two different size of jar, meaning one is maybe big, one is maybe small. Okay, what can be observed on flame of candle in both jar? Remember, the question asks for both. You need to tell about balang X, the jar X, and jar Y after 3 minutes. Now, in the comment or the chat box, okay, I want you to write the observation. What you think will happen in the fire, in the candle, in jar X and also jar Y. Will be quite a long answer. Ama? Okay, please write the answer. What do you think will happen? Siapa tanya ni? Jar Y, the candle will melt. Okay, what happen if you put a jar onto a candle? Can the jar still light up? Sorry, can the candle still light up after you put a jar inside? Yes, I done. Correct. It is Aina. We need to do this thing because it's getting more difficult and difficult from now on. Yes, you can see the jar X, the candle will be a lot shorter because it melt more. Jar X will extinguish early, off early. Yes. Yep, that's the observation. Jar X, the candle will be a lot shorter than jar Y. Why a lot shorter? Because the candle has been burned a bit longer than jar Y. Okay, we go to the next question. This question seems finish already. Okay, for observation, usually, okay, the question will not ask you like this. The question will not ask you for both jar. Sometimes the question will ask you what can be observed onto flame of candles in jar X. So we can say jar flame of candles in jar X light up longer than flame in jar Y. Now, we don't want to know why this happened yet. We just can see what this will happen after 3 minutes. I give you example for this question. Yep, this question. What will happen after 2 weeks? Oh, I forgot to label it. The first one is, wait ah. The first one, actually I just wrote on top. Plant X. Okay, the first one is plant Y. The second one is plant Y. Plant X. The second one is plant Y. Now, what will happen after 2 weeks? Yes, you can answer already. Plant Y will wilt. Plant Y will losing leaf. Plant Y will be dying more quickly. Ama, I told you already. I don't want to hear answer like we can survive. They're going to die easily. No, that's not scientifically accurate answer. I don't know who is QBB. Yes, this answer I'm looking for. Plant X will probably faster without sunlight. Okay, no need to write that. Actually, just write plant X will faster. That's it. Or Evan, yes, Evan. Not to write a long word like that. Just write plant Y will faster. That's it. Or plant Y will faster than plant X. Pang Simon, remember observation. You don't know that there's about oxygen or whatsoever. So don't need to write plant Y will die because it doesn't have oxygen. We don't need cause. We need only what you can see. If you give it cause, you already write inference because inference is a reason. Cikgu, I'm glitching. I'm very hard to see the screen. You are glitching? Oh, I cannot help lah. Yes, only what you can see. Losing leaf, wheel, yellow leaf, and so on. Don't tell me no oxygen, no sunlight, no need yet. Later on, the question will ask you why they happen, why becoming like that and that. Okay? Now, for observation, usually is as easy as this. You don't need to think much to write observation. Simply what you see, you write. You don't see, you don't write. Don't think of reasons, don't think of so on. That one is for another question. Okay? Now, we keep on going because we have more slide. Now, inference. This thing we have quite hard, but thing is as like this. Inference is just reason. Scientific reason for observation. It's just reasons. Let's say, why you skip my class today? I went to the canteen. That's it, reason. But that's not scientifically accurate. Okay. Why does the plant just now? The plant will because there's no oxygen. The plant will because there's no sunlight. That's how you write inference. But let's say you don't have no idea. You don't know what to write. You have no idea. But you know what is MV, what is RV. You don't know because you don't study about this last night. But like I said just now, even if you don't study about the topic, you can read the question, you can already know what is MV, you can already know what is RV, you can answer the question. Okay? So, observation, let's say this question, the plant question, we have the plant question or not? No, we do the plant question, easier for you to understand. So, observation. What is the observation? Just now we done already. The plant Y will because MV affected RV. Sorry, RV affected MV. Look at the formula. Okay. MV affect RV. So I make it smaller for this. Wait. Okay. I don't know if you can see or not. Okay. What is the inference? Let's do the inference. So, we write the observation first. The observation is plant Y will. Okay. That's the observation. And then we add the word because. Now, what is the formula just now? The formula is this. This is the formula. Observation plus because plus NV affect RV. Okay, so you're right, because what is can write absence of sunlight absence of sunlight. Oh, sorry, the plant, just write the plant will. Why will? No need to write will. Okay, the plant why will, because the absence of sunlight affect RV. What is RV? Affect or effect? Condition of plant after 2 weeks. Okay, let's say you really don't know how to write inference. Use this formula. Okay, you don't know about this topic and you never study about this topic before. Use this formula. As long as you can find MV, you can find RV, at least you can get marks from this question. Okay, in fact, some of the question, if you use the formula, you can get full mark for this question. Okay, now let's see the question that I prepared for you. This one. Okay, this one we done already. The MV and the RV. Let me copy and paste the MV and RV. Okay. Okay. Now, the observation, because MV affect RV. Now I want to write the observation. Observation is bulb will light up when connected to metal spoon. That is the observation. Now, using this formula, I want you to write in the comment for me the inference for this, using this formula. You copy it and you paste it. Copy it and you paste it. Okay, Amma, continue with the class. Answer the question, please. Yes, Amir Afi. Correct. This is how you answer the question when you have no idea how to write inference. Metal spoon is better. Better what? Better to use, better to eat, better what? Metal spoon is better. You haven't finished your sentence. Yes, I done. Answer is The bulb will light up when connected to metal spoon because metal can conduct electricity. Okay? Now, that's the answer that we're looking for. But like I said just now, you don't understand this topic. You don't know how to answer. Okay? Use this formula. Observation, I gave already. Observation there. Plus the word because. Plus MV given already. Effect RV given already. Okay? Yes, Aina, wood cannot make the bulb light up. Why? That's why we come up with the formula. Okay, for you to answer the question properly. Right now, you know the wood cannot conduct electricity. Rebecca said metal is conductor. What conductor? Train conductor, Rebecca. Bus conductor. Wood is insulator. What insulator? A lot of insulator. We have heat insulator. We have electrical insulator. Yes, finish the word. Because wood cannot conduct heat. Are we doing heat right now, Ama? I given to you the formula. Observation plus MV plus RV. Just copy and paste. Yes, correct, Lashana. Okay. Okay. Let's say you don't have any idea to do inference because sometimes this question can be quite hard for you to answer. For this topic, maybe easy. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Oh, no more question. What about this question? I want inference for this question. Okay. Observation. You must write the observation first. Don't start the question. Don't start the answer with because. Start the answer with the observation first. If you start the answer with because, sometimes your answer will be very weird to understand. Doesn't have context. We don't know what you are talking about. You must put the Cikgu, it's hard to tell why wood cannot conduct electricity. It's easy, Aina. You have the experiment just now. Experiment tell you the wood cannot conduct electricity. That's why I said, put the observation first. How do you know the wood cannot conduct electricity? Because the bulb is not light up. That's why you know that the wood cannot conduct electricity. That's why I said, put the observation first. What can you see first? You see the bulb is not light up? Then you know the wood cannot conduct electricity. Jonathan Allen. Let's see. What's your answer, Jonathan Allen? The bulb will light up when connected to metal spoon because, yes, you have the observation, the bulb will light up. You have the reasons. So that's the answer. Okay? Now, answer this question for me. Oh, Joanna. Okay, Joanna. Answer this question for me. What is the inference? You have the MV, you have the RV. Amelia, I finished that question already. Can we move on to this question for inference? What is the observation here? Yes, correct. Aidan, good answer. electrical usage by Ali in April is more than June. That's what you can see. Electrical usage is more. Sorry, June is more than April. I done make it correctly. June is more than April. Not April is more than June. June is more than April because of the usage of electricity. Therefore, increasing the amounts. Yes, correct. Good. But June up. You change the month. The month is wrong. I done. Yeah. Joanna, use the formula I gave. Observation first because MV affect RV. I written there what is MV, what is RV. Give me observation like I done did. Come with your own word. Arjun, you just use MV only, Arjun. You haven't finished the inference. Where is your RV, Arjun? You halfway correct. If there's two marks, I might give you one, but I don't think there's 2 marks. It's only 1 mark. At RV, usage of electricity affect the amount of electricity bills. Electric bill. Yes, Aisha Masara, correct. Akib is not answering the question. You are answering the question. Arjun, not N, affect. The word N is wrong, Arjun. Affect. Because you are telling that we are telling that if you use more electric, you need to pay more. The inference shows that the usage by therefore so that Aina, why you're making it harder for you? If you use the one that I gave to you, you can answer already. Use the formula I give to you, Aina. You can answer already. Observation because MV affect RV. I try to understand your answer, Aina. By Ali in June is more. The one observation is correct, Aina. Your observation is correct. But the next part I don't really understand. So that means the usage is increasing. I don't think that's make sense, Aina. Check again, check again. Yes, Arjun. Fact the amount. Yes. I like using the sentence. We are not writing essay right now. Yep. Remember, don't leave RV. You must write the electrical bill. Don't leave the bill word. Okay, Pang Simon. Ali, lyrical usage in June was higher than April in same house. That's only observation. After that, Pang Simon, you add the word because. After you add the word because, you put NV. What's NV there? Usage of electricity affect RV, amount of electrical bill. No need to write the 369 kilowatt. No need to write that. No need. Just follow the one I give to you. You simply can answer this correctly. Because if you don't follow, you don't use this one, sometimes you are not making sense in writing your answer. Example, should be Evan. Yes, I think Evan should be. In June 2034, total 11. Evan, that's just observation, just telling me what we all can see. That's it. That's not inference. Okay, that's not inference. No, not really. If you don't understand your answer, actually, if you also don't understand your answer, how can you answer the question? Example, let's say example the answer that actually I don't think you also can understand. Um, I would take the answer from Joanna. Joanna answer is the bill is higher. Okay, Joanna first answer I think. Yeah, you write that before the first answer. The bill is higher. Okay, I try to understand what you want to mean by the bill is higher. But here in France, like I said, we want to know what happened here and what caused by that. You just tell me the bill is higher. That's it. Okay. It's like um, it's like this. Very simple. I give to some of your classmates. Two boys are fighting in your class. Okay. The teacher will ask, "Why are you fighting?" Okay. The student will tell teacher, "Oh, we are fighting." That's it. You don't give me why. You don't tell me what happened. That's not reason. Okay, that's what I mean by we don't understand your answer. Okay, Siddiq, I haven't see you answer. You just put an emoji and so on. Try to answer one or two questions, Siddiq, so I know that you understand or not. Another example, I like to eat chicken rice. One day, Sarvesh asked me, "Teacher, why you like to eat chicken rice?" My answer to him is, "I like to eat chicken rice." Sarvesh asked again, "Why you like to eat chicken rice?" "I like to eat chicken rice." That's it. My answer should be, "I like to eat chicken rice because I like to eat chicken, or I like to eat the rice is very fragrant, or so on." Okay, must have reasons. Some of you doesn't give me reason. You just give me a few words. That's your answer. Don't do that, because like I said, you don't understand what happened here, but you know what is MV, you know what is RV. You can answer this question already. Okay, there are 20 marks for this type of question, which doesn't need you to know that topic very well, but you still can answer because of you know how to answer it. Okay, now 9:30 already, need to go a bit faster. Okay, I'm going to continue in front in your class this week. If we have time for 4M, maybe I'm going to look for I think your BM teachers is not in the school, and maybe I go and enter the class during that time. For 4E, we still have 2 more classes. Now, next one. This one, I think the easiest one for you to understand. Data and communication. For data and communication, for that, sorry. Okay, for data and communication. Now, we have table, we have bar chart, we have drawing, we have graph. Like I said just now, table. Left side must be MV, right side must be RV. Okay, left side MV, right side is RV. Here. So, please off your mic. Thank you. Mute your mic. Okay. Left side MV, right side is RV. Now, this is I think some of you can see, not all, but some lah can see. This is animal. Okay. We learn about animal in standard 4. We learn about 2 things. We learn about breathing organ. We learn about rate of breathing. Don't worry, I will not ask something from standard 5. I will not ask something from standard 6 or standard 3 or standard 2. Let's say about animal, this year you learn about 2 things only. Breathing organ of animal, and one more is vertebrate and invertebrate. Okay, vertebrate and invertebrate. So remember, Left side is MV, right side is RV. This question, I help you to answer. This one is for vertebrate and invertebrate. Okay, the MV is type of backbone they have. Vertebrate. Okay. Vertebrate. Next one is invertebrate. Okay, must be like this. MV on your left side, RV on your right side. Then on RV, you can put the animal, type of animal here. Okay. Vertebrate is what? Let's say we have picture of horse, we have cat, and so on. Invertebrate, you're wrong spelling. Invertebrate, we have ant, we have bees here. Okay, but we haven't finished the table yet because now we only have few words without any header. So we need to have one header here. Okay, so this thing is animal, we know already, and this thing is type of backbone. Okay, or family or species or so on. So this is how you do the table. Okay, remember, left side is MV, right side is RV. Let's see this question. Okay, sorry, this one. We done this question just now. Type of activity and heart rate beat per minute. Now, left side is MV, right side is RV. Let's say you don't know what is this question about, you don't understand, but you can only see, oh, there's a table here, and the question asks, what is manipulated variable, what is MV? Straight away, take the header here, the top, on top here, this one, put as MV, and this one put as RV. Some of the techniques that teachers taught their student before, for each page of question, on top of the question, you write what is MV, what is RV, and that will help you to answer question in Bahagian C. This type of question will come up in Bahagian C. Soalan 1 and soalan 2, the first two can. Okay. And it costs you around 20 marks. If you miss this, gonna rugi lah. Cannot get. I don't think you can get A if you miss this to 20 marks. Okay. Now, we done the table already. We go to bar chart. This is the correct bar chart that we're looking for. For the bar chart, you must do the axis first. The L first. See the axis. This one, the axis. Okay, the axis. Okay, do the axis first. That's the first one. And then on the top here, or we call as y-axis, you must put RV. Now look at the table. What is RV? RV is heart rate. The numbers, remember, RV is numbers. What is our step just now? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 4 is numbers. And MV here, down here is the type of activity. Then next, you can plot your bar. Teacher, do we need to color your bar chart? No need to color the bar chart. Okay. better for a bar chart to be clean like this. Let me clean. Wait. Chart design. Oh, they don't give you any how to change, but make it clean. Don't color. Just label it down here. Jogging, reading book, and cycling. Okay, label it down there. No need to color. No need to draw shapes and so on. No need to do scratching or shading it. No. And on your left side, the numbers must be correctly put. Don't worry, we're going to do drawing. We're going to do bar chart in our next class in the class. Okay? So it's quite hands-on for you to do. We cannot do during this class because I need to check one by one you're doing correctly or not. Okay? And next, the last one is drawing. Read the question. You live in a very noisy construction site. Build a device to overcome this unpleasantness. You are given cotton, hairband, rubber band, piece of cloth, sponge, and tape. Okay, so you just design and build earmuff. You design and build earmuff. Try to use all aspect or things that given to you. Cotton, hairband, rubber band, use all. Try to use all. And after you draw, because I know this is not an art class, some of you draw very good ones, some of you not gifted to draw. It's still okay. Try to draw your best, but after that, label your drawing. Okay, label your drawing. Here, hairband, rubber band, sponge, cotton wrap enclosed, so that you know, oh, this is your idea. Like Pan Simon asked just now. Oh, so teacher, if the teacher don't understand our question, our answer, does our answer wrong? Partly your question is not wrong, Pan Simon. Okay, because let's say you just draw without this all thing. Okay, let's say you only saw this thing. You only saw this thing. You also don't know what is this, right? It might look like a glass. It might look like a motorcycle. Okay? Or maybe if the teacher turn the paper, oh, smiling face. We don't know what is this. So, label your drawing. It helps. Especially if you have 80 papers to look at and your drawing is not very good, some of you. So label it. Okay? Doesn't have to be very, very beautiful drawing. I think I taught 4M just now. We have two drawing. One is not very good drawing. One is very detailed drawing. But the thing is, the detailed drawing, that person does not label it. So no marks for him. Not no marks, less mark for him. Okay? Must label your drawing. Okay? If you don't label, I can simply say, oh, it's just smiley face. Okay? Fine. Now, oh, very good smiley face. Can we have like 1 minute break? We have 3 more topics to go, and then we finish the class. 1 minute break, okay? Drink water. Okay. I launched a new poll. You can check new poll.
Teacher, I thought we're doing a quiz at this time.
Okay, I'm launching a new poll. Thank you, Aidan. It's already 9:45. If we have time, we try to do the quiz. Okay, Aidan? If we don't have enough time, we're going to
Okay.
continue in the class for the quiz only. For the topic, I try to finish by tonight. Okay? I launch the poll. Try to answer because I off the chat room, right? Stretch a bit. We have few more. Oh, Joanna. Yeah, Jonathan Allen. Next, we have.
It's my brother's account.
Yeah, next time use your account.
I'm gonna go. Okay.
Okay. Now let's continue. Next, predict and pattern. Two different things. Predict is educated guess based on information given. Let's say predict where Joanna going to go after recess. Teacher, I cannot predict. She's unpredictable. Not really. If you observe her, you look at her every day, you know she always went to bookshop after recess. Okay? So that's your prediction. How do you know? Because you always look at her. Okay, Joanna, that's an example, not a real case. This one is different, Joanna. Maybe Joanna from standard 1, I don't know. But not Joanna from standard 4. Yeah, different case. So, how do I know? Because I observe that person every day. Let's say, I think it's going to be rain. I think it's going to be rain heavily today. Going to rain heavily today. Why? Because you see the cloud is coming. The thunder is very very loud. It's very very chilly, very cold. Yeah, that's how you guess. But in science, they don't ask question, um, simple question like that. They ask question with numbers sometimes. Example, Ali planted a chili plant at his house. He watered and put the plant beside his window. Week 1, the height of plant is 10 cm. Week 2, the height of plant is 12 cm. Week 14, week 4, 16. So, week what? Week 5. Is that week 5? Okay, in the comment, write the height for week 5. Week 5. Write the height for week 5. Yes. Good. How do you know it's 18? Because of week 1, 10, go to week 2, 12, at 2 cm. To week 3, 14, at 2 cm. 16 at 2 cm. So you see the pattern. That brings us to the next one, which is pattern. We have 2. Increase, decrease, or one more, just stay the same. That's pattern also lah, still the same. So you cannot say the pattern just at 2 cm. Cannot. Okay. The pattern is increases by 2 cm. Okay. Increases by 2 cm. Increases by 2 cm. So that's pattern. Usually pattern are given to you in numbers so you to know how to answer. Okay, for patterns. Next, operational definition. Oh, operational definition. Okay, for operational definition, I'm going to skip this. We're going to do together in the class. I have a set of questions, but now it's 9:50 already. You cannot do the question. If you do the question, we don't have time to discuss. So we're going to do this in the class. Don't worry. For operational definition, I'm going to teach everyone to do this. Okay, because it's important for everyone to know about this. Now, we skip one. We go to the last one. Conclusion. Conclusion is almost similar to hypothesis. Can write the concept. Okay, there's 2 ways to do conclusion. Number 1 is you can write like hypothesis. As MV increases, MV decreases, MV more, MV less, RV is what, RV is what, RV is what, RV is what. Also that. Or you can write the concept. Let's say this experiment. Look at this experiment. The concept here is metal is a good electric conductor. That's the concept. And that's the conclusion. That's it. Very simple. We look at this experiment. This experiment. Can I say the conclusion is more intense the high activity, higher rate of breathing? Yes, you can see that. You can see that more intense of the activity, the higher rate of breathing. You can see that we are using hypothesis for conclusion. We can use that. What about this? I think this one. This one. Try to make a conclusion about this. What's the concept here? What's the hypothesis here? You can choose hypothesis, you can choose concept. Write in the comment. Oh yeah, I open the comment, sorry. Write in the comment. What's the concept here? Okay, Amma. What's the concept here? Okay, the concept here is very simple. Plant need sunlight to survive. Sada, that's not the concept, that's the reason. Okay? Plant need sunlight to survive. That's the concept. Okay? For you to answer this, is you don't know how to answer, you just copy your hypothesis. Most of the time will be correct. Okay? Yes, I done. No, Aisha, we have work to do in the class. Not today. It's quite late for you to do works. Okay? You give everything back. It's okay. We do it in the class. I bring the paper for you to do tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. For 4E, don't worry. Okay? Same for conclusion also, I think we need to do in the class since quite late. I don't think you can focus anymore. It's okay. A lot today. But at least for today, what can you get from this is two things. First, you can get how to do MV, how to find M, and how to find RV. That's number 1 and 2. And try to remember how to do that, and try to remember what is the step in answering the question. Okay? What is the step answering the question? You need to do that also. This is the step that I think if you follow this, you can do. Okay? Yes. Since it's 9:55 already, I don't want to continue with my lecture. I talked too much already. I want to know if you have any question, put in the comment. Don't forget to put question mark so that I know it's a question, not a statement.